what you're seeing isn't that my camera's having a hard time adjusting to light. Rather, we're about to watch some old slides that I've got with my Kodak 5200. Now, usually I like to run a video with a bit of background noise, but I haven't been able to find that CD that I've been looking for. And I'll find that, either I'll find that or I'll redub the tape on my, I've got a huge, probably got about 200 or more reel-to-reel tapes. So go through and I'll look for that. What you're seeing is the Harris broadcast facility, the factory actually. I got all these slides when I bought this projector. It's, I believe it is out of focus if I remember. That's the lens in focus. Now I can take the lens out of focus. It's completely out of focus. That's the projector out of focus and the lens out of focus. Looks horrible. Crank it back in focus. Take the camera off the tripod here, if I can get it off. And it wants to be difficult. Hold on. This camera stand's a bit of a pain for me getting it back off sometimes. The way it locks up, it's just a pain here. So get the light on. Start to cool off there. That's a stupid CFL bulb, so it'll take a second to warm up there. It's a carousel projector. I've got 2 carousels for it. Now this one I'm not willing to sell. This isn't a piece that's for sale because I use it to play, my grandma's got some slides, which my aunt's going to get eventually, which is ridiculously stupid, as I don't think my aunt's ever touched a slide projector or even knows what one is. Oh jeez. Anyway, this one's got a remote, usually stored in here, although I don't have it. The guy never gave it to me and said that I could find it or something, and that never worked out well. On the back of it, you got a small door right here. And what that does is, this one's actually got a screen that you can pop out on it instead of setting the whole thing up. But the watch that switch on it. And then you can manually select. But it's pretty cool to do that with the I'm going to take this carousel off because it's not sitting right. It's pretty cool to pop that screen out because then I don't have to worry about projecting on the brick wall or anything. Fast forward, reverse, or forward reverse I should say. Low, high, and then fan it off. The only downside of this projector that I don't like is I don't have the remote. It's a pain to set up sitting next to it with speakers and everything to play music. Other things you're seeing in the back, got my vintage table lamps. Not an interesting bit, I've got a 1958 Electrolux. The only thing on this one is the cord's been replaced on it. I've got the original cord, I replaced the cord at 20 foot 18.2. Still runs great. that vacuum's probably about as loud as that slide projector is. It's not much, you know, it's not a big noise maker or anything like that. Got the attachments for it, except the brush and the crevice tool that normally sit here. So, I've got a police scanner, I've got some different things. I'll upload an old set that I made a couple of years ago for a school project that I had to do. I woodwork the whole thing. I'll fire that up in the next video, or next couple of videos I'll put that up. So, thanks for watching right now.